Hello everyone, welcome back to Autopulse. This lightweight, pedal-assisted tricycle is not just a mode of transport, it's your personal camper, a mobile home that allows you to travel off-grid without sacrificing comfort. But what makes this tricycle so special? Let's take a deep dive into its design, features, and real-world usability. The Latrice XP camper tricycle boasts a futuristic yet practical design. Built with a lightweight aluminum frame, it ensures durability without adding unnecessary weight. The three-wheel setup provides excellent balance, making it a safer alternative to traditional bicycles, especially when carrying extra weight. The camper unit is seamlessly attached to the back, offering a cozy and efficient living space. It's compact yet spacious enough to store essentials like bedding, cooking supplies, and even some gadgets for entertainment. And the best part? Despite being small, it's designed with aerodynamics in mind, allowing for smooth and stable rides, whether on city streets or countryside trails. One of the standout features of the Latrice XP camper tricycle is its electric assist system. While you can pedal manually, the built-in motor provides an extra boost, making long-distance travel much more manageable. The battery system offers a range of up to 50 miles per charge, depending on terrain and rider input. This means you can cover significant distances without exhausting yourself. Plus, regenerative braking helps to recharge the battery slightly while going downhill, extending your ride time. For speed, the Latrice XP can reach up to 20 mph with pedal assist, which is perfect for a comfortable and steady ride while enjoying scenic views. Now, let's talk about the camper itself. You might be wondering, how do you fit everything you need into such a small space? Well, the Latrice XP camper is brilliantly designed to maximize utility. Inside, you'll find a foldable sleeping area, which can comfortably fit one person. The mattress is lightweight and easy to store when not in use. There are built-in storage compartments for your clothes, food, and essentials. A small fold-out table provides space for meals, reading, or even working on the go. And here's something cool. It comes with a solar-powered ventilation system, ensuring proper airflow and reducing condensation inside. Some models even include a portable power station, allowing you to charge small electronics like phones, cameras, and even a small LED light for nighttime use. Living on the road means you need a practical way to cook your meals. Thankfully, the Latrice XP camper tricycle allows for an efficient outdoor cooking setup. A compact fold-out cooking station provides space for a small propane stove or electric cooker. There's even a collapsible water container to make washing dishes easier. If you love the outdoors, you can set up a small camping chair and table right outside your tricycle, making meal prep a relaxing experience. And for those who love coffee in the morning, there's even space to store a portable coffee maker or a French press. If you live in a city, the Latrice XP makes commuting and short trips much more enjoyable. It's easy to park, doesn't require a driver's license, and saves you money on fuel. For countryside explorers, it's a quiet and scenic way to travel, allowing you to enjoy nature without the noise of a car or motorcycle. And for digital nomads? It offers a great blend of mobility and simplicity, letting you travel while working remotely. One of the biggest advantages of the Latrice XP camper tricycle is its sustainability. With zero emissions, it's an environmentally friendly alternative to RVs and gas-powered vehicles. The solar panel integration allows you to harness natural energy, reducing your reliance on power stations. Plus, compared to traditional campers, the cost of maintenance is extremely low. No expensive fuel, no oil changes, and minimal repair costs. Solo travelers looking for a minimalist and budget-friendly travel experience. Urban commuters who want a practical yet adventurous way to get around. Eco-conscious individuals who prefer sustainable transportation. Weekend adventurers who love camping but don't want the hassle of a full-sized RV. Narration. The Latrice XP camper tricycle is more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle choice. Whether you're exploring city streets, heading into nature, or simply looking for a new way to travel, this compact camper trike offers freedom, adventure, and sustainability in one package. Would you consider trying out the Latrice XP? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content on alternative travel and sustainable living. Until next time, happy travels!